This is a question that's going to use the direct method, which is a little bit different than the indirect method. And it's asking us the cash payments for operating expenses to be reported on the cash flow statement using the direct method would be. The operating expenses, other than depreciation, for the year were $40,000. So they've eliminated the consideration of depreciation there. So we're going to start with a $40,000 cash outlay for operating expenses. We also had prepaid expenses that increased by $17,000 and accrued expenses that decreased by $37,000. Well, if we start off with the cash flow for expenses of $400,000, that's how much we've already laid out. In addition to that, we've now paid for some prepaid expenses, whether it be prepaid taxes or prepaid insurance, whatever the case is. We wrote a check for $17,000. That is also an outlay of cash, and so the outlay of cash is going to be added to the $400,000 for the prepaid expenses. The accrued expenses we decreased. We paid some accrued expenses. And of course, if we're paying those, we wrote a check, and so the accrued expenses are going to be a decrease in cash, and so we're going to add that together. So our total of all three of these transactions would be $447,000, and that would be the total effect of the cash outlay using the direct method.